Summer beauty tips you need to know. It is the time to change your beauty regime to help you look your best all the way through the hot summer months. So it's out with the heavy makeup and the heavy winter coats, and it's on with 10 essential summer beauty tips that every girl needs to know. Less makeup is best in the summer. Cut down on all the cosmetics that you use in the summer. A light, fresh look will match the feelings of the season far better anyway, and less makeup will make you feel more comfortable too. Use sunscreen every single day. We really shouldn't need to tell you about the dangers of the sun, but every year, protect yourself from the sun by applying sunscreen every single day, even if it does look a bit overcast outside. Exfoliate regularly. As you sweat more on the hot days, regular exfoliation of the skin becomes even more important in the summer months. It will keep your pores unclogged, and it gives you a smooth canvas onto which you can apply your light summer makeup. Use waterproof makeup. With running eyes from allergies and dust, along with the sweat from your brow and the humid air, makeup doesn't stand much of a chance of staying put in the summer. That's why it's time to switch to waterproof versions of your eyeliner and mascara. Waterproof makeup may cost a little bit more, but it's worth if it stops your makeup smudging on hot days. Keep your hair well conditioned. The summer sun and all that swimming can be really tough on your hair, so be sure to keep it well conditioned. Use a conditioner after every shampoo and use a deep conditioning product to keep your hair shiny and soft. Wear a pair of sunglasses that you need to protect your eyes against the glare of the sun in the summer too. Sunglasses will stop you squinting, which prevent lines forming around your eyes and will help to protect your vision as well. Keep well hydrated. To keep hydrated during the summer, or you could become unwell and it will affect how your skin and hair look. Try to drink about 8 glasses of water a day. It will keep you hydrated and you will feel a lot better for it. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.